Checkpoint Certified Security Expert R81-156-315.81 exam updated questions from itfreedomps are valuable for you to pass the test easily. 1. What solution is multi-queue intended to provide? A. Improve the efficiency of traffic handling by SecureXL SNDs B. Reduce the confusion for traffic capturing in FW Monitor. C. Improve the efficiency of CoreXL Kernel Instances D. Reduce the performance of network interfaces. 2. You want to allow your mobile access users to connect to an internal file share. Adding the mobile application file share to your access control policy in the SmartConsole didn't work. You will be only allowed to select services for the Service and Application column. How to fix it? A. A Quantum Spark appliance is selected as installation target for the policy packet. B. The mobile access blade is not enabled for the access control layer of the policy. C. The mobile access policy source under Gateway Properties is set to Legacy Policy and not to Unified Access Policy. D. The mobile access blade is not enabled under Gateway Properties. 3. If the active security management server fails or if it becomes necessary to change the active to standby, the following steps must be taken to prevent data loss. Providing the active security management server is responsive, which if these steps should not be performed. A. Rename the hostname of the standby member to match exactly the hostname of the active member. B. Change the standby security management server to active. C. Change the active security management server to standby. D. Manually synchronize the active and standby security management servers. 4. What are the available options for downloading checkpoint hotfixes in Gala WebUI, CPUSE? A. Manually, scheduled, automatic. B. Manually, automatic, disabled. C. Manually, scheduled, disabled. D. Manually, scheduled, enabled. 5. In terms of order rule enforcement, when a packet arrives at the gateway checks it against the rules in the top policy layer, sequentially from top to bottom. Which of the following statements is correct? A. If the action of the matching rule is accept, the gateway will drop the packet. B. If the action of the matching rule is drop, the gateway continues to check rules in the next policy layer down. C. If the action of the matching rule is drop, the gateway stops matching against later rules in the policy rule base and drops the packet. D. If the rule does not matched in the network policy, it will continue to other enabled policies. 6. At what point is the Internal Certificate Authority, ICA, created? A. Upon creation of a certificate. B. During the primary security management server installation process. C. When an administrator decides to create one. D. When an administrator initially logs into SmartConsole. 7. What does the Log Views tab show when SmartEvent is correlating events? A. A list of common reports. B. Reports for customization. C. Top events with charts and graphs. D. Details of a selected logs. 8. How long may verification of one file take for Sandblast threat emulation? A. Up to 1 minute. B. Within seconds cleaned file will be provided. C. Up to 5 minutes. D. up to 3 minutes. 9. What feature allows remote-access VPN users to access resources across a site-to-site VPN tunnel? A. Specific VPN Communities B. Remote-access VPN Switch C. Mobile-access VPN Domain D. Network-access VPN Domain. 10. What state is the management HA in when both members have different policies, databases? A. Synchronized B. Never been synchronized C. Lagging D. Collision.